Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. New and latest beautiful and stylish latest floor mat and latest unique homemade crochet floor carpet racks design pattern ideas, beautiful mat designs. So I hope you like it, like a half round style and latest fashion ideas for girls and women as a home decoration styling and uh, beautiful ideas and uh, for unique homemade project floor carpet rack design, consider a mandala pattern for a circle leg or geometric shape for a modern touch. Experiment with textured stitches like uh, popcorn or bubble stitches to add interest. Choose a color palette that complements your space. You can find inspiration in crochet magazines, online platform, or by different adapting different pattern to create a personalized and beautiful mat design, half round and different beautiful vibrant color. So I hope you like me, guys. Please see this video till the end and mention me comment section and